India's 110 km range Astra Mk1 air-to-air missile was initially cleared for production at $1 million per unit, and it is now witnessing a significant reduction in its per unit cost. The 250 units order from the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy for Su-30 and MiG-29K aircraft have contributed to the falling cost, and it is now available at only $0.7 million per unit. Several countries including Greece and Algeria are approaching India to discuss the purchase of the cost-effective but highly capable Astra Mk1 missile, and the Indian Air Force will also place an order for 500 units that will bring down the per unit cost further. In a significant milestone, the US Air Force Research Laboratory and India's new Space Research and Technologies has conducted a wind tunnel test of the air-launched unmanned aerial vehicle, and the findings corroborate with the experimental wind tunnel modeling predictions conducted in India. The partnership aims to design, develop, demonstrate, test and evaluate systems for the co-development of an air-launched UAV prototype, which is scheduled to conduct its first flight later this year, that will provide aerial reconnaissance, surveillance and intelligence gathering capabilities to the military. With an aim to enhance operational efficiency, foster innovation and optimize resources, the Indian government is exploring the possibility of merging 5 out of 7 newly formed defense public undertakings, and this strategic move comes shortly after the creation of these defense public undertakings from the former Ordnance Factory Board. Yantra India Limited will be merged with Munitions India Limited, while Troops Comfort Limited, Gliders India Limited and India Optel Limited will be merged with Bharat Electronics Limited, that will create a unified entity with broader capabilities. Mauritius India has announced that it has entered into specialized equipment manufacturing for the defense sector, and its new manufacturing facility in Chennai will start production in 2024. The company has also signed an initial pact with Goa Shipyard Limited to jointly develop and market navigation, communication and automation equipment for vessels for the Indian Navy and the Coast Guard. BITS Pilani, Hyderabad is all set to unveil one of the country's largest wind tunnel facilities that will prove to be a game changer in the realm of drone and autonomous flying vehicle research. This state-of-the-art wind tunnel facility will be completed by next year, that will recreate wind speeds of up to a staggering 220 km per hour, providing a controlled environment for studying the dynamics of flight. India's overseas military base on Agalega Island in Mauritius has reached completion. It features a deep-sea port capable of accommodating destroyers and frigates, along with an airbase equipped with a 3-kilometer-long runway and other facilities suitable for operating fighter jets and P-8I naval surveillance aircraft that will significantly expand maritime domain awareness and strike capability.
Omar dropped it.